Well, let's explain in this tutorial how the server calls work. So if you hit play, you will have two option mode. You have the local mode that will generate the same random plant with the same name, as you can see here. But if you select the server side, you will be able to access a JSON file that is going to have this structure. You have a username, a plant index, and income time. So we are using this information from the server, you can see here, to generate different plants that are in the resource files. So the script is going to generate a Skynet plant here with the index 1, and the robot is going to be able to pick it up and put it inside the box holes that are this game object here that is going to move at the end of the total dropping event.